Alright, well I got mine out. Let's see here, move this a little bit. That one is markedly better than that other one that I ended up buying for sale. A lot better. So, pretty happy with that. There still is some, what that splashing is around there. It looks like oil or something being squirted out of there, but I haven't noticed any result from that sort of thing anywhere else where I've been running it. So the front piece, while I'm here, so here's that. It is black also, but can we see through that at all? Yeah, I'm having a hard time seeing through that. Now, if I take the camera away, you can. I'm still going to blow it out, clean it up, and then I'll reinstall it. We'll start this thing up and see how that runs.